What's up everyone, my name is Kayla and today we are going to watch J-HOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOOO out of like his entire like mixtape, I still don't know which one's my favorite. I feel like Daydream is still my favorite. 3, 2, 1. Oh, beautiful view. Beautiful. What is that? Oh, well, galaxy. Okay. Oh, better view right there. Hey, hey. Oh my god. Not today. People are like making theories from this music video. Hey, let's go. Oh, he looks so good. Oh my god, I'm crying. Work at J-Hope. Oh my god, I'm gonna get dizzy. Okay. People are like saying this background, like him in the sunset, looks like from Spring Day. So I'm like, okay, I see you guys. Oh, he told me to shush. Okay. Dude, like, J-Hope, I can't. No! Okay, so my internet crashed. So, why? 3, 2, 1. Let's go, J-Hope. Oh, there's an airplane. Wow. Oh. Hey, hey, hey. I love how all his music, like this music video and Daydream was really his vibe, and like it really shows J-Hope's vibe, and I love it. I love it. He been rocking it. I am proud of you, J-Hope. Oh my god, he looks so beautiful. That jawline. Oh, okay. Are we in heaven now? We're in heaven. He is an angel, so let's go. Oh, you look so cute. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm too hyped, okay? I just came back from school and I'm like, I had like some chocolate and I'm really hyped right now. Okay, I'll shut up. Oh, he's driving away now. Ooh. Oh, okay. That looks like the same setup as like DNA. I don't know why I'm making theories. Why am I making theories with a J-Hope's music video? I don't know. Oh, he dropped it. He dropped the mic. Nice. Hey. He looks so good. I can't. Oh my god. Can I go on his airplane? I wanna fly with him. Let's fly together, J-Hope. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Nice job, J-Hope. I want to know, which one do you like better, Daydream or Airplane? Or if you have your other favorite song from his mixtape, put it in the comments. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a like. And if you guys want to know when I make my next video, click the subscribe button down below. So I guess that's it. Bye-bye.